Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a different video. I'm doing a mukbang. I said I wasn't gonna do a mukbang, but I've decided that I'm gonna do a mukbang, so here I am. And today I'm just gonna be having some spicy noodles. This isn't like the same spicy noodles that everybody else has on YouTube. This is kind of like what I always eat. It's like Thai noodles. They're gluten-free and dairy-free. And this version right here is vegan, so there's no meat or fish or anything in it. So it's really good. And if you guys are interested, I'll definitely tell you guys the recipe. And I got my big bottle of hot sauce and my drink, and I'm excited. I'm so hungry. Let's see if this is even hot enough. So I just got home. I've been at school all day, and I'm just happy to be home. As you guys know, I'm in cosmetology school, so I'm literally at home. I mean, at school the entirety of my entire day. And it's like, it gets crazy, you know? So in case you guys were interested, I did go ahead and bring the noodles that I eat. This is the Thai Kitchen garlic and vegetable instant rice noodle. And like I said, these are gluten-free. No, it's not ramen or anything. And I season it myself, so I use the seasoning packet that comes with it, but I kind of think it's bland. So but it's definitely like a good broth base. So I put curry powder in it, like Jamaican curry, not Asian curry. Parsley, nutritional yeast, cayenne pepper, like tons of cayenne pepper. And in this bowl I put broccoli, roasted red bell pepper, and artichoke, and sesame seeds, and a little bit of soy sauce. So it's just really good. You could even put cheese in this. I put like vegan cheese in this, and it's super good. And I put a little bit of hot sauce in it too. So So I've never really introduced myself on my channel, so I guess this is a good opportunity to do that since I'm just eating. So my name is Jasenia. I'm from Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia. Originally from New York, but I've just been raised here in Atlanta. I studied entrepreneurship and business at the University of Tampa for a year. And now I'm at Aveda Institute studying hair. I have one brother, 0 sisters, and I live with my mom. I need more juice. I love spicy food. I love noodles. just bleach on my shirt because I'm in hair school. And yeah. I'm also a beatboxer. I can show you. I am the owner of Lady J Diamond Hair Company. Bundles, frontals, all that. And I like to eat. So I wanted to do like the actual spicy noodle challenge, but I'm allergic to gluten and dairy, which is like in all of those spicy noodles, because I've looked at a bunch on Amazon and those Korean stores, and I'm allergic to most of them. So I do want to do an actual spicy noodle challenge, even though this isn't a challenge, this is just like a mukbang, but I do want to do a challenge. So I'm gonna get Carolina Reaper pepper, which I've never had before. I have no idea how hot that is, and make some of my noodles with that pepper. Because I love spicy food. I have pepper with everything except breakfast, and I just think it's amazing. But I really want to test my limits. So my boyfriend, his name's Malik, he thinks mukbangs are disgusting, and he thinks that they're weird, and he thinks people who watch mukbangs are weird. So I don't really know how he's gonna feel like when he watches this, but I mean, if he watches it, I don't really know if he watches my videos like that, but yeah, I don't really know. I mean, he thinks that watching people eat is weird. I don't think that's weird. I mean, like, you go out to eat with your friends, like you guys are doing a mukbang when you go out to eat with your friends, like you're eating and talking. Or if you have a family dinner, that's just a really big mukbang. But we have really different tastes in everything, really. So I was walking home today from the bus, and it was just like this car, and I thought it was following me. Because, like, I got off the bus, it's like nighttime, and I'm walking, starting to go home, minding my own business, and this car, like, comes onto the road in which I'm walking, and, like, literally stops, pulls over, stops, and put on the hazard lights. I'm just like... So I switched sides of the road because, you know, of course, I don't want to get snatched. So I switched sides. Once again, minding my own business. So I'm walking. Here comes another car doing like the same thing. And then the other car, like I swear, like parks like horizontally on the road. So like the road is like vertical going this way, and the car literally just like blocks the whole road. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, this is a setup. So like I have my pepper spray and everything, and I'm just like, okay, I just need to get home. So I'm like super anxious at this point because like it's nighttime, I can barely see anything, and I'm walking by myself. By the way, I don't have a car, so if I can't get a ride or anything, I have to take the bus and the train, and I'm not paying for an Uber unless it's like necessary, so I'll walk. Because when Uber start to add up like a car note, like a lot of people that take Ubers everywhere, like you could get a car, like literally. But anyways, that's besides the point. So I'm walking home, and I start hearing like noises. Like I have to admit, half of those noises were crickets, but nevertheless there were noises. And it's no movement outside. It's no people outside walking or anything. It's like really, it's not desolate, but it's like, it's not like a city. It's not like a downtown city where I live, where it's like no matter what time of day, it's people outside. It's not like that out here. I mean, to be honest, even downtown Atlanta isn't really like that. Like people here go to sleep, unlike other cities. So fast forward, I made it home. I'm in one piece, and nobody tried me up, so. These noodles are delicious. Alright guys, I finished my bowl of noodles. So I'm gonna go clean up before it kicks in and I get sleepy. But thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share this video, and when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So we're super close. So just go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me. It's super easy and it's free. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
This song is dedicated to the haters who wish upon the stars that I will never make it. All I know is I'm really feeling like I hit the lotto. Yeah, buddy, I'm feeling real